Hi, my name is Christopher Dunn. I'm a third year mechanical engineering student studying in GMIT. It was mandatory for my third year that I chose between work placement and project. I chose work placement, which is on during the summer months. It lasts between 8 to 12 weeks. I was lucky enough to secure my placement with Creganna Medical, which is situated in Parkmore, Galway. It's a biomedical engineering company, and it's the world's largest manufacturer of hypotube assemblies. Creganna Medical has 14 factories worldwide, which are situated in 4 continents: Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. It was founded in 1979 by Ian Quinn, a fellow man from Galway like myself. In 1998 it entered the medical device industry, and in 2000 it opened the first medical device factory of its kind in Ireland, which is also known as PM1. This is the building that I'm situated in throughout my work placement. Creganna Medical has over 1,100 employees at the minute. It's employing at a rate of 14 people per week, with the hopes of getting 1,500 employees by the end of the calendar year. They have 3 buildings situated in Galway: PM1, PM2 and PM3. For my placement, I've been located in PM1. I've been put in the manufacturing and engineering section, and my managers are Connor Dalton and Brian Flanagan. For the first 3 weeks of my placement, I've been asked to shadow one of the junior engineers called Connor Nocton. The section of the building that I do my work in is known as the laser processing. It's where all the laser ablation occurs, as well as the welding. Throughout my placement so far, I've got to know many programs. I've expanded my knowledge in many things, and these are some of the programs which I have used. They include LaserCAD, HMI programming through PLC, Minitab, Oracle, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and LabVIEW. Some of these I have done in college, and I've found that college has really helped me throughout learning these, as I had a lot of the basics before I even stepped foot in the building. One of the projects I've been asked to do is going to commence in about 2 to 3 weeks' time. The initial plan is that I'm going to draw up the plans for a new room, which is in PM3, the building which I'm not working in. It's the newest one, which was created in 2009. I'm going to measure up the new room. I'm going to draw it in AutoCAD, which is in a 2D orientation. I'm going to then measure all the devices and see what sizes they are, and then submit these within the room to meet safety standards and so that they fit correctly. I'm going to submit this then into my 2D drawing of the room, and from that I'm going to move on by sending it on to the head of safety with the company. One of the smaller projects which I've been asked to do throughout my first 2 weeks in the company was to try and change the programming from one of the laser ablation machines to another, also known as the CWA Auto. So to start this, I ran 30 parts on the old machine, and then I transferred the program onto the new machine and ran 30 of the parts on the new machine. I then compared the RAs, which is the surface roughness, between both machines to see if they'd hit the standard of safety and the quality that we were looking for. Once I had done that, I used this data and I recorded it in Minitab, one of the programs which we use in college. I then ran a 2T sample test and found a p-value for the new machine. A p-value over 0.005 indicates that they are statistically equivalent, and the p-value that I found was 0.365, indicating that there was a statistical equivalent between them. Overall, I've been really happy with how my placement has gone. I've been really surprised at how many of the college modules we have done that have been actually adapted into Creganna and how it works. I have seen huge improvements in a lot of the programs that I'd learned throughout college, and I really want to develop my knowledge in these aspects. I feel my hands-on skills have improved dramatically thanks to a lot of the work I've been doing on the floor, which involved fixing machines, programming up machines, and making new parts at times even. I've been really enjoying it, and overall my experience has been fantastic, and I'm looking forward for the other 8 to 10 weeks of my work placement.